Today, me and my brothers are gonna do a slime challenge. First, we've got metallic colors. So we're gonna close our eyes and pick one from here. And then the last color, the last person who hasn't picked will take it. And we've also got glitter glue. And red and green and yellow. This is golden. And then we put the special ingredient. Glue! we already, this is glue on my thing. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna pick from the metallic colors. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and see whoever is gonna go first. Paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, now me and you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! I get to go first! Okay, you two do. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! He goes last! He got beaten by 4 years old. Okay, ready? Okay, mix it up, Mama.
I thought you wanted purple.
I wanted. Okay. Fine. You got purple. Wow.
Okay, I guess silver is mine.
Yep. Now let's move. Let's dump them in. I'm gonna reverse it. So Yusuf's first, then it's Ahmed, and then it's me. Okay, pick. You got red!
Aw. This is the color I didn't want.
Okay, now it's Ahmed's turn. Close your eyes. Wait, let me mix it. Okay. Okay. And you got golden! Wow! So this one is mine. Look, they match. No. Let's put them in. I'm gonna put this one first.
I'm putting the metallic glue first.
Whoa! That's so pretty. Whoa! Look at yours, Ahmad. That's so pretty. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! It sucked it in. Come on. Now it's time to put the glitter glue. I opened mine already. Look. Yep, it's coming out so well. Look at that! Whoa! Yours is a galaxy with all stars in it. Now I know why those two match. Whoa! Mine is made a big bubble. I can't put them all. Okay, you can do it. Mine is coming out when you flip it over. Mama, look at mine. Whoa. Look at Ahmed. Ahmed, you're doing a good job. Mine's almost out. Look. This is mine. This is mine.
This is mine.
Wow. Now we have to put it on. First, we've got to mix it. Let's see what I've got. Whoa, look at mine. Look at mine. Look at mine, guys. Look at mine.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at Yusuf's. The glue is turning pink.
The glitter is all getting to the bottom.
Guys, look at mine. Look at night
Oh
sky.
god, the silver is so much. I think the glitter glue is clear glue, but with glitter.
Whoa.
That's why
Now
it
let's
looks
add some fantastic liquid. Yeah, let's put it.
Half.
For cutting.
Okay, that's
I'm done, Mama. Mix. Look at mine.
you said so less now I put too much.
That's not fine.
If I put more, it's gonna become even more liquid.
Keep mixing, guys. We're
How
almost
much
there.
did you put? How much after did you put?
Only less. Oh my gosh, look at so much slime! I'm finished!
What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna be a slime or a disaster?
I think it's gonna be a
What do you think, Yusuf?
I think. I don't know, maybe slime.
Ahmed, what do you think?
I think yes, look, I made my slime.
Whoa.
Mine
So
is so
everybody is voting for slime.
I made on the side. Mama, it's so small.
Look at this.
Guys, I think we're gonna need a bigger container for Ahmed's.
Ahmed is winning from you guys. He's done with his first bottle evacuator. And he's going to start the second one.
What?
Why do we need
Already?
2 bottles?
Because we already made we mixed 2 glue bottles together. Remember?
Yusuf's is a milkshake slime. Running milkshake slime.
Mine's a smoothie. Mine's it's a glittery green juice. Mine is
Mine is just a blob.
Ahmed.
I need to go wash my hands.
Mine is starting to fly. Okay? Slowly on the sides. Mine is on slime. See? I'm winning. Yeah. I'm almost there, guys. Oh, there's a lot. Ahmed, look at my slime. Where's the whole bottle? Ahmed, this slime, you need to add the whole thing. It's slime smash. Whoa, it's so glittery.
Yusuf, what do you think?
You didn't put enough.
Do you think this glue is going to turn into slime?
Maybe.
Masfira, what do you think?
Yes, because Ahmed's turning into slime with all of this whole bottle, with 2 whole bottles. And also I have also collected some slime.
Ahmed, what do you think? Are you going to be the winner? Yay! Guys, you really need to knead it. You have to dive into it. Ahmed took a bit of slime outside from the bowl
My small slime that
and he's kneading it on the table. Yusuf is still struggling. Musfir is going good. Ahmed, Musfir is going to win from you. Be fast. Knead. Whoa, Ahmed, look at Yusuf's. Musfira, wow.
Yeah!
My hands are tired.
Motor activities.
Exercise. I hate it.
Whoa!
Look how stretchy it is. That's so cool.
Oh my watch. I like it.
And take.
Eva.
Do you want me to take it off? Oh, my slime is out. Hey guys, I've got an idea. Let's see who can make the biggest bubble. I'll go first. Mom is sticky. Okay, I've got to get off the table.
Let's see yours.
Okay, ready? No, be careful. You want to mix it with yours. Ah, Yusuf. Okay. Mama. Okay, ready? Ready? Yusuf. I'm gonna go first. Whoa! It's blowing up. It's blowing up. It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger.
How to make it much bigger.
Huh.
Much bigger.
Okay, it's your turn.
How do we make it bigger?
You don't even know how to make a bubble. I'll tell you. Nice one. Okay, Ahmed, it's your turn.
I'm gonna try again.
No?
I'm gonna.
Whoa. Okay, I'm first. He's second. He's third. Okay. Second round. Whoa! Look at Ahmed. It's bigger than him. Okay, Ahmed. I don't know if I'm gonna make a big one, but now it's my turn. I'm gonna move my chair back. Okay, ready? Ahmed. Okay, let me help you. Oh, I got my slime. Now I got this. Oh, make sure to watch. Okay, gonna gather it. Now I have Yusuf. It's not your turn yet. Oh man, mine went. I think I'm last in this challenge. Whoa! Okay, first, and I'm last and he's second. Okay, now Yusuf, you can go first.
I need to figure out what my hands.
There's still.
What are you doing?
Okay, now it's the third round. Let's see who's gonna be the champion.
Me.
If he wins, then we all get 1 point and we're all tied up. If he wins, then he's the champion. If I win, I'm the champion. Let's get started. Whoa. What's the slam? Okay, hold on. You're supposed to go first in the slime challenge. Okay, ready? Whoa! That sounds so funny. Okay, your turn. Whoa! Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, let's do this. Okay. What are you doing? It's my turn. Hey, dude, cheater. Okay, now it's my turn. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. Me. Okay. I'm fastest. I'm Flash. Hello, sir.
Anybody else? My balloon is popping.
Oh, come on.
Yes.
That's
I
not
am
fair.
definitely
Okay, I am last. Okay.
First.
Okay, Ahmed, you're gonna be second. I'm hoping it's on. What are you doing? Whoa!
Oh yes.
And he.
I am the winner.
Okay. Bye. We're gonna be playing with slime. Whoa!
Victory.
Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe.